Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to change password on Slack. So let's start. First, open your Slack application and click on the workspace name in the top left corner of the screen. This will open a menu with a list of options. Here, click on the settings and administration option. In this right hand menu, click on workspace settings. After that, a new page will open with the list of settings and administration options for the workspace. Look at the left panel and under Account Setting, click on Account and Profile. Here, you can see this password option. Click on the Expand button at the right side. What you need to do here is you will simply enter your current password in this current password field. Then after that, enter your new password in the new password field. Once done, click on this Save Password button to save the changes. It is important to choose a strong, unique password that is not easily guessable to help keep your Slack account secured. Avoid using personal information such as your name or birthdate, and consider using a password manager to help you generate and manage strong, unique password for all of your online accounts. So that's it for our video. If you wanted to know how to change password on Slack, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on the next video.